Are you looking to do IRL streams or vlogs but don't have a ton of money to spend? Then this budget setup that I am filming on right now, which uses your phone, just costs $35. Hey there, TJ here with Technological Gadgets, bringing you the best in tech and making it work for you. On this channel, we usually do tech reviews, but some other times we show you budget streaming setups just like this one. So if there's something that you'd like to see, make sure to drop me a like to let me know, and subscribe if you would like to see more content like this. But enough talking, and let's start with how I created this setup. And yes, this exact setup which I will be talking about to film this video and mainly revolves around your phone, as that is what we'll be using for the camera and streaming device itself are completely for free. And yes, the quality will primarily depend on your phone, and the one I'm using is the 2-year-old Pixel 4a to be exact. For streaming apps, you can use the native live streaming function built into mobile apps of of your choice, such as YouTube, Twitch, which is what I use, and many others use as well, which makes things much simpler, easier, and faster, since everything is done in the app and you just press a button to go live. But if you're looking for more advanced features such as overlay, alerts, widgets, and stuff like that, then you might want to consider the app Prism Live, which will allow you to do that, though it is a little complicated to set up, but I'll leave a link in the description for a tutorial to show you how to do this. And you can basically do that and basically stream and vlog completely for free. However, I would like to show you a budget setup that I recommend and use to enhance this experience. First thing I would improve is audio, as people are more likely to stay if the video is bad but the audio quality is good, though not the other way around. However, it doesn't have to be expensive, and pick up these one more piston fit earbuds for $10, which I'm using the microphone on right now, which and basically sounds really good, allowing you to be slightly further away from your phone and pick up less background noise, especially if you are in a really noisy environment that you can't really control, such as being outdoors. So it'll focus in on your voice and make you sound a lot more clearer than your phone's built-in microphone, as you can hear right now. Besides, you can use them as regular good sounding earbuds, so that is a bonus as well, and block out a ton of background noise so you can focus on your live stream or vlogs. Next up on this setup has definitely got to be this selfie stick tripod for $10, and what this allows you to do is to get a wider field of view by having your phone physically further away from you while keeping it more stable than if you were to do it handheld, if you want it to be in a stable tripod position. Moreover, it gets pretty tall, so you can stretch it out pretty far and have a good range of tilt, so you can adjust this to your liking with the extra benefits of the remote here that can be connected to your phone and used as a wireless start and stop recording sort of remote, if you are vlogging, which is nice, while folding up into something super compact so you can carry it around in a pocket. Additionally, if you are streaming or vlogging outdoors in many situations, you can't really control the lighting situations, and you can either get a ton of light, which is amazing, and look awesome like I am right now, or be in really dark places, especially if you're out at night. So what I recommend you to carry around is this clip-on ring light for $5, which basically clips onto your phone over the front facing camera and lights up your face with 3 levels of brightness, all while getting surprisingly bright. Great if you are sitting slightly further away. As for how long it lasts, it does last for a few hours from my experience, though not very long, and charges via a micro USB port, which allows you to use it continuously by having it plugged in into a power source, so it doesn't die in the middle of your long streams or vlogs, which is really cool. Speaking of power, if you intend to stream or vlog for long amounts of time, your phone's battery isn't going to last very long. A way to combat this is to get a portable charger, and the one I have here is pretty cheap, going for about $10 and has a decent capacity. But depending on your streams, you might want to get something with a bit more capacity, or even something smaller if you want a more mobile setup. But what I will look into is to get one with 2 USB ports. This way you can not only keep your phone plugged in and charged, but also do the same with your light, and therefore have a healthy and happy stream going for long. As I said, all of this was filmed on this setup itself, apart from some of the B-roll shots, and this is how it looks, as you can see right now. Not bad, huh? For something costing just under $35, and it will definitely get you up and running and start. So if this video has helped you out so far and gave you the confidence and preparations to start your RL stream and vlogs, do drop me a like to let me know, and be sure to subscribe to see more content just like this. But I thank you all so much for watching and staying tuned to the end, and I hope to see you in the next video.